300W portable generator, FlashFish 60000mAh power supply station camping solar generator, drone battery recharged by solar panel wall outlet car, 110 VAC out DC 12 VQC USB ports for CPAP camp travel. 222 backup power supply. Wide applications make it suitable for lots of devices. 110 VAC outlets can charge your CPAP machine, tablet, laptop, TV, fan, Christmas lights, etc. 212 VDC ports can be used for car vacuum, car refrigerator, car air fan and car charger, etc. 2 QC3.0 USB and 1 2.4A USB ports can charge your phones, drones, iPad, GPS, MP3, camera, etc. Cool features with 300W continuous power, 350W peak power, 60,000 mAh battery capacity and pure sine wave. This power generator can charge your devices more stably. 5.6 pounds lightweight makes it perfectly fit in your backpack. Recharge solar generator. The battery pack can be recharged from the sun with a solar panel, not included, can be fully charged by being plugged into the wall outlet. And it can also be charged by plugging into your car 12V socket, car charger included. Kindly note that the power station cannot be charged and used at the same time. Safety warranty. Built-in multi-safety protections like short circuit protection, low voltage protection, overheat protection, lock-on protection, over voltage protection, and overcurrent protection. Enjoy outdoor activities. Our generator has an easy-to-carry handle, convenient for camping, fishing, traveling, other outdoor activities and emergency usage. Eliminate your worry about no electricity in your devices and power outage at home. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.